dobrodošli na slovenskem kadrovskem kongresu.
I just love it because I can work with different people every day, and every day is different. Every day when I go to work I have different kind of challenges waiting for me there.
Je Nataša Bazjak-Kristlini.
I love HR. Pač tako je, tak je občutek.